Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so in this question, we need to find all elementary matrices, right? So first of all, we can write here IA, that is equal to A, and here I, that is the 3 by 3 identity matrix. A will be as it is, and on the right hand side we have also A, so we need to write this given matrix A. Right, okay, so first we need to interchange first and third row. So our row operation is R1 interchange R3. And here also we need to interchange a first and third row. Right, so this is our second matrix, right? And this is our elementary matrix E1. And here we have just interchange first and third row, so its inverse will be remain same. Right, now as we can see here, here we have a 0 for the first column, right? Which means now we need to use the row operation R2 multiply by, R2 minus 3R1, right? Which means we need to multiply the first row by minus 3 and add into second row, right? Okay, now here 1 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 3, and minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. And here we need to write E1 multiplied by A. Right, so now this is our third matrix, right? And this is our second elementary matrix. Okay, here for the second elementary matrix we have here minus 3, right? So to find the inverse matrix of E2 we need to just write here plus 3, right? And the remaining all remaining all entries will be remain same, right? Now as we can see here, for the third matrix here we have a minus 1, but here we have a 0, right? Which means we need to add first and third row, so our row operation will be R1 plus R3. And now we need to write here E2 multiplied by E1 multiplied by A. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Second and third row will be as it is, right? So now this is our fourth matrix, right? And on the left hand side we have a third elementary matrix. Okay, here we can see that we have a only 1, right? So to find its inverse matrix we need to just write here minus 1, right? And the remaining all entries will be remain same. Right, now for the last matrix on the right hand side we have a identity matrix, and here we have a 5, right? So to convert into identity matrix, we need to we need to divide the second row by 5, right? So our row operation will be R2 multiplied by 1 by 5. Right, so here we can write now identity matrix. Right, so on the left hand side we have a fourth elementary matrix. Now we need to find its inverse. So here for the second column, the pivot entry is 1 by 5, right? So its opposite will be 5, right? That is the reverse row operation. So we can write here 0 5 0, right? So these are the our all elementary matrix and its inverse matrix, right? Thank you.